Hello guys, it's Daily here with the Daily Levels commentary for the 7th of September 2017. Let's have a look at the euro dollar and let's start with yesterday's trading. Yesterday our long level at 1919 got hit and unfortunately I missed that trade by around 0.1 or 0.2 pips right there, and there was very nice reaction to that level. So unfortunately I didn't enter the trade and I discarded that level afterwards. I know that some of you guys took that trade manually and you got profit, so good job there. If you were trading with simple limit orders, it will also be profit because the second test of that trade, of that level, was a profit. So that's yesterday's trading, and as you can see today the volatility on the euro is very high, and the reason for that is the ECB rate decision and the press conference. And for that reason I'm not trading the euro today because it's really crazy and unpredictable. So I'm waiting for it to calm down, and after that I'll be looking for some new trading levels on the euro. Let's have a look at the Australian dollar, US dollar. This is a 5-minute chart of yesterday, and as you can see our short level from 79.87 got hit there. Unfortunately it got hit during macroeconomic news release, so I didn't take that level during the news, but fortunately enough for me the price calmed down a bit right there, and I decided to enter the short trade. So I entered around 6 pips higher above that level after the news, and I took a full profit there. So if you were trading that level from the original level, it was a 10 pip profit for you right there. For me the profit was somewhere in this area, but both ways were profitable, so that's definitely good news. Let's have a look at today's trading levels, and let's go to the 30-minute time frame. There is one new long level that I'd like to trade today, and it's a long level from 79.91, and the reason for that long level is those heavy volumes that got accumulated in this area, and also the weekly point of control indicating that the heaviest volumes throughout the whole week were accumulated in this price area. So for that reason I think that strong buyers that rejected lower prices and pushed the price higher were accumulating their buying positions right there in this area, and for that reason I'll be waiting for a pullback, and I think that it will be a nice opportunity to go long from there. Apart from that, I also sort of like short level from this area, but we will have to wait for that level to become valid. Right now it's too soon to trade that level, so let's wait, and hopefully the price won't be coming back very soon, so we'll be able to trade that level. Let's have a quick look at the US dollar, Canadian dollar. I don't have any valid levels, any viable levels that I'd like to trade today, and if you look at this strong sell-off that took place after the rate decision, the Canadian rate decision yesterday, you can see that there isn't any significant volume cluster created within this area. If you remember the reaction to the news, the price just jumped right there without any volumes, without any activity in this area. So for that reason there aren't any viable levels in this strong sell-off. If there was a volume cluster somewhere right there, I would be happy to trade that volume cluster, but the fact is that there isn't any, there weren't many volumes traded right there. So for that reason I don't have any short trade in this strong selling area. And as you can see right now, the price doesn't really do any significant reaction or any significant activity. So for that reason, I don't really have any trading levels on the US dollar, Canadian dollar that I like to trade right now. So we will have to wait for new levels to form. Let's go into the US dollar Japanese yen. As you can see, our short level from 109.16 got hit yesterday right there. And I know that some of you guys took a profit there. Some of you took that trade. I didn't personally take that trade because the level was hit by macroeconomic news, and it was too soon after the news to enter that trade for me. It was too aggressive for me to enter that trade, so I missed this one. But those of you who take it, it was very quick and a very nice profit right there. And as far as today's levels are concerned, there are two short levels that I like to trade. There is one new level at 109.32, and the reason for that short level is those volumes that got accumulated in this sideways price action. You can see that after this accumulation, there was a renewed selling activity, indicating that those volumes were volumes of strong sellers. So hopefully there will be a pullback to this area, and those sellers will be defending their selling positions, and they will push the price lower. The second short level is at 109.74 right there. And the reason for that short level is rejection of higher prices followed by sell-off, indicating strong sellers. And I think that those sellers were accumulating their selling positions right there at those volumes, at this volume cluster. So for that reason, I'll be waiting at this price level for a pullback, and I'll go short from there. So guys, those were today's intraday levels. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow, and until then, happy trading!